Hello and welcome to this midday market mood check with me, Nandita Khemka. Well, Yatin has decided to excuse himself today, so it's just me. But if you look at the markets, we have come off the day's high. We came close to about 18,775 or thereabouts. But, after the policy, we did cool off a bit and have now slipped below that 18,700 mark. When you talk about what the RBI has done in its policy, no negative surprises. Repo rate has been maintained at 6.5%. In fact, the stance has also been retained at withdrawal of accommodation. What the RBI has done is, it has retained its growth forecast for FY24 at 6.5%, and inflation forecast for FY24 has been scaled down marginally lower by 10 basis points or thereabouts. But for the first 2 quarters, the RBI has scaled down the inflation forecast to somewhere below 5% or thereabouts. So there was an initial spurt, but then we did recede from the day's high, given the fact that the dovishness that the market was expecting in governor's voice was kind of missing, which is why I think there's some bit of profit booking kicking in when it comes to the markets. Look at the Nifty below that 18,700 mark, not much, however, around some 5 to 6 points below that level. Most sectors in red, led by Realty pack, that was down 1.5%. IT, FMCG. FMCG, in fact, yesterday hit a fresh high, and today stocks are coming under a bit of profit booking. So we are seeing a bit of cool off there as well. If you look at the top Nifty losers, you have the likes of Grasim, Sun Pharma, BPCL, Apollo Hospitals, Ayush Motors, as well as Kotak Bank. Among the top Nifty gainers, you have the likes of JSW Steel, NTPC, Power Grid, ONGC, and LNT. If you look at the broader end of the markets, even the mid-cap index had hit a fresh high yesterday, but now they are trading with both the mid and small cap indices are trading with cuts of somewhere around 0.5% or thereabouts. Broader end of the markets, Tata Tele is the top mover on the Nifty 500 index. That stock has rallied somewhere around 15%. Paytm, on the back of an upgrade from BofA Securities, is up 5% or thereabouts. Now, BofA Securities has upgraded the stock to buy with a target price of somewhere around 855 rupees a share from 780 rupees earlier. If you look at the Nifty 500 gainers, you have Alok Industries, Alembic Pharma, Ather Industries, and on the losing end, you have Suzlon, which of course saw a very good rally yesterday. It's cooling off today. Varun Beverages, there were reports that it may be excluded from the Nifty Next 50 index. So it is extending its losses from yesterday's session. You have Welspun Corp, that's not doing all that well. OMCs as a pack is slipping in trade, given the fact that CNBC TV 18 has reported that the government may nudge these state-owned oil companies to revise fuel prices lower. Now, as they are inching closer to normalcy when it comes to under recovery. So that OMC basket, BPCL, HPCL, IOC are under pressure in today's session. The next cue to watch out for really would be the Fed policy that will, take place next week. And expectations are that the Fed may look at a pause this time around, but look at hiking interest rates in its July policy. A similar playbook to what RBA, Royal Bank of Scotland, in fact Australia, I beg your pardon, and Canadian Central Bank have done. So looks like the Fed is looking at a pause, but we'll have to wait and watch and see what happens next week. But I think for now it's I'm done with this midday market mood check. But of course I'll be back with closing action at 3:30 p.m. with Yatin. So do tune in, and for all your other news and updates, keep watching Moneycontrol.